Hey guys, Dr. Brown here with Kubo Math coming to you from Tarlac City, Philippines, and tonight we're on a journey to prepare you for the 4th through 6th grade international test. So this is a really cool problem. Don't let your hair catch on fire by going, ooh. Okay, just relax. We're going to eat the elephant a little at a time. Okay, bad divided by 7 equals AC. We should work one out where it's good, okay? But bad divided by anything is probably still bad. So, okay. One rule of this problem is you have variables A, B, C, and D. They can't repeat. So if I solve for A, I get 7, D can't be 7. Okay, so they do not repeat. All right, so let's just back up from this, look at it, and start beginning to figure out what's going on. Now, first thing I noticed was I have a 21 here, and you'll notice up top, the A up here is above this A. It's above this 1. So it's telling me that A times 7 is 21. So it's not A times 7 is 2 and then something else happening. A times 7 is 21. So let's capture that. A times 7 equals 21. Well, if I divide both sides by 7, 7 divided by 7 is 1. If you say 0, hey, no supper for you. Okay. All right, we're left with A equals 21 divided by 7. A equals 3. Okay. Now, we don't know that that's correct yet because there could have been some other variables that influence it. So let's keep looking here. All right, if I had A times 7 was 21, what would I do next? I would take this digit and subtract 1 from it. So A minus 1 equals B. A minus 1 equals B. Then what would I do? Well, I would put that number here, B, and then I would look over at this number. B minus 2 is, 0. B minus 2 equals 0. Well, if that's the case, B minus 2 plus 2 equals 0 plus 2. These 2's cancel. B equals 2. Well, if B equals 2, and then we can confirm that since A was 3, 3 minus 1 equals B, and that does in fact equal 2. So this is working out. Okay, what do we have so far? We have, I'm going to erase this, B equals 2. A, we said equals 3. Is that what we said? Yes. A equals 3. So A is 3. I'm going to put that guy up here. 3. B was 2. So I have a 2 and a 2. All right. Hey, we're getting there. Now then, what's going on now? Now we would take 23 minus 21. That gives us the 2. We bring the D down. Okay, now we have C times 7 equals 2D. Now this is a full number, just like 21. So it's not C times, well, for example, I have 7 times C equals 20 something. And now it's D, but equals D. Now this number, D, could be 0, D could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our bucket of numbers we can pull from is 0 through 9 because it's a single digit in this number. but it has to be divisible by 7. So what are the multiples of 7? 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. So 20 something. So the only two options I have is 21 or 28. Okay? Now I could divide both sides. If I said 21 equals 7 times C. Let me get these out of the way. I don't need 35 now. So if I said 7 times C equals 21. So if I divide both sides by 7, 7's cancel, or 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times C is C. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Oh, but we said A was 3, and we also said no repeating numbers. So I cannot use 21. So my only other option here is to pick 28. So 7 times C is 28. 28, 7 divided by 7 leaves me C. 28 divided by 7 is 4. So C equals 4. And D would equal 8. C is 4. And this would be 28, so D would equal 8. So let's just see if that works out. So before I do that, we're saying A equals 3, B equals 2. B equals 2, C equals 4, D equals 8. All right, let's try this. 3 times 7, 21. 23 minus 21 is 2. Bring down the 8. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 minus 28 is 0. Okay. All right, so we have A is 3, B is 2, C is 4, D is 8. How did we solve that? We did not let our hair catch on fire. We just, and when I say things like that, it's where when people, they see a problem and they, and when that happens, their mind just closes. It's almost like your mind's eye just goes, and you can't see to begin to reason. So the way I solve problems is I just look at things that I know and then write those down. And then by putting down what I know, ultimately I end up, oh wow, I just need to solve for this little piece of it. So in this case, we found A really quick. We also found B really quick. And our only challenge became then C and D. So just try to eat the elephant just a little at a time. You can do it. Why are we doing this? I tell you every week. Together we're trying to build a better tomorrow and do that through math. Okay guys, keep studying. We'll talk to you next time. See you.